Hello, today I'm going to show you how to perform a smart diagnosis on your LG freezer or refrigerator. It is easy and of course it's a nice fridge, and your fridge can make some nice noises. The noise will come out of the right upper area, and of course if you have some experience or any problems with your fridge, it has the capability of transmitting data via your telephone to LG service center, for example. This gives you the capability of speaking directly to the trained specialist. That means if you have some issue, you can have a phone call to LG, and the LG guy will get some information about your refrigerator by using the smart diagnosis. So first step is lock the display. To lock the display, press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds. If the display has been locked for over 5 minutes, you must deactivate the lock and then reactivate it. Open the right refrigerator door, hold the mouthpiece of your phone in front of the speaker, press and hold the freezer temperature button for 3 seconds while continue to hold your phone to the speaker. 1, 2, 3. War das cool? After you hear 3 beeps, release the freeze temperature button and then keep the phone in place until the tone transmission has finished. This takes about 3 seconds and the display will count down the time. Once the countdown is over and the tones have stopped, resume your conversation with a specialist, of course, who will then be able to assist you in using the information transmitted for analyticum. Easy. That is nice and awesome. And of course, you can use this option to make some sound in your kitchen too. That is funny, isn't it? Smart diagnosis on your LG refrigerator. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.